Okay.
Dear comrade, Red Voice of CPML Red Star is the YouTube channel of Central Committee of CPML Red Star. I, on behalf of the Central Committee, appeal to all party comrades and party friends to subscribe this channel and post this channel link to all your Facebook page, all the social media group and handle, wherever you can have an access, and also request to regularly visit this channel and view this new post, new video, like it, share it, and propagate our channel. We have to develop maximum to the masses, to reach the masses, our YouTube channel to the masses of the people in India. Okay, comrade.